Charlie, what's up? What's up? Charlie, what's up? Hey. Where they go, my people? Oh, forget that Pope Skinny then. Then that Shatta Wale, that too. Make a bear. Tag Shatta Wale give me. Make I tell them my mind. I know say people miss me. I make why. That one know they come live. Oh. This be the song where we dey take the enjoy. Georgia Mani, Chalade. Oh. Bob Leto, what's up? Make I talk them. Make I insult them small. Tag Shatta Wale give me. I beg you. Yo, say to make a change. Yo, and Danny Jr., Mighty Agna, make a change. Lako Panda, what they go on? Chalade. I know say people miss me, no be me. Ejuma Kwa, Alhaji Muhammad Khalifa. Oh, Chalaiki make a go hide. Milan Lion. Hey. Charlie, make I tell you something. Make I tell you something. Quick, Mokugo. Yeah? You see, Pope Skinny, I can't talk Pope Skinny matter. Eh? See, if you want tell Shatta Wale them Pope Skinny something, me I go feel invite you, make you tell them your mind. Today be talk your mind. You go feel talk your mind. I go invite you. If you insult, it be advice you want give them. So of why? Ya bremo ni mutobe no. Ya bremo. Monfa hit song mbra. 2 kangaroos where your career die. Where you put they disturb we. See, you see anything that is built on lies. If you want to start your life, you won't reach this level. You did this level. Where you won't reach this level, where you start with lies. You did lie. Your empire then go break camp on lies. So make I give you some small story. See, the time where Shatta Wale, it was bandana. The time Shatta Wale was bandana. Where he dey walk, he be dirty boy, he be criminal, he be phone thief. Shatta Wale, he dey lie. If he be Takashi 69 of our time, Ghana Takashi 69, that be Shatta Wale. Shatta Wale be snitch past everybody. Where he be fiero. I swear I go tell you, see Shatta Wale. He dey fear, but you see, he gets some excuse me to say some stupid, useless people behind him. That one they lie the boy say he be gangster. Shatta Wale no go fit fight though. I swear my mama, I no go lie you. The time the street was street, Shatta no dey street though. Shatta no be street boy. But it be the small backups where he gets, where he make that guy figure say he be some gangster for life. Shatta movement self, Shatta Wale no be your own. It be Shatta Sly in movement. Juwed will be useless then sell out. Where you sell Sly out, where you Shatta Wale, you get Shatta movement, where you they claim say you be Shatta movement. Shatta movement, you Shatta Wale, no be your own. Then bring you for inside. You Shatta Wale, the Shatta movement, it no be your own. Oh. Then bring you for the Shatta movement inside. Today you say you be king. Tomorrow you sack this person. Yesterday you sack this person. Next day you sack this person. Shatta Wale, make I give you small story. The time where you come, time I no Oba, you come. The bandana time, where you can't do bandana from Ghana, no computer, where you go, you hide. Where you can't come again. You start the lie on Samini. That be how you start your story, Shatawale. Before I go throw you fire, make I give you. You start the lie on Samini. Say Samini do this, Samini do this. Samini. You dey walk from ghetto to ghetto. You dey involve yourself in people. You dey lie. Any ghetto where you go, any place where you go get platform, it be Samini matter you go talk. That time I understand you. Why? Because that time Samini be the giant for the music inside. That time MTN give Samini, then Sanam, then give him some Land Cruiser. Where you dey lie, you dey fabricate stories. People buy your stories because that time Samini dey reign. Samini know they come ghetto youth inside. That might be true. In all your lies where you lies, Samini, you see why? Make I tell the reason why the ghetto youth people them believe Shatawale where them follow him. He can't tell the ghetto youth say Samini know they come ghetto youth inside. Samini know they love the ghetto. Where it be true? That time Samini they reign. That time Samini they reign. You know they come the ghetto youth them are inside. Samini know they perform for ghetto unless it go benefit them. I go recall some years back the time I did Ghana. I meet Samini from Regiral Store office. Me, I know be that boy where we see artists where we dey call them. No, we don't call artists. So, I see Samini for Regiral Store office where people they call and that time they drive some Land Cruiser way. MTN give them. That time Samini they you call Samini the arrogant alone. You don't go feel stand. Samini the same body. So as Shatawale can't tell the ghetto you say Samini know they love them, you know they come with them. Then Nankasa then sit down and say they organize a lot of Salah fairs, then do a lot of ghetto youth stuff. That time you call Samini to come to now where they go the ghetto youth show. That time you call Samini no go come. That time Samini no go come, so cause Samini they see say he be the giant, nobody. So that be the only thing where he tell the ghetto youth, where the ghetto youth sit down, where they think about, where they say yes. What January they talk, it be true. Where the ghetto youth start to follow Samini. That time Samini so susupon. What they do? So people start to follow this Shatawale, they praise them, but I no go blame them. That time you can't join Arabi them. Arabi them give them platform. They support them. You can't see Kushtela them. Kushtela them do them a job. You know be you the same Shatawale. You can't tell you say losing blade. The blade where you sack him 3 days ago. If you go watch the video where Shatawale can post some time ago where he sack losing blade and that stone or what or bone or whatever they call them, where they do. Watch under the video, you go see say Darlington Adams did there. Be my word up Shatawale can't take that video. The day he sacked stone, blade, bone, Pop Skinny, and good over evil. Go watch under the video well. It be me, my word up, he can't take the video where he edit, where he put for there. I be they understand. You the same Shatawale. You see that video where he post? The people call somebody say Kwa Mansa. You know who be Kwa Mansa or Kwa Mansa? It be losing blade in grandmother or something that Kwa Mansa in house. That be where they bring Shatawale. Shatawale be opportunist. Where food day, there way day. You say losing blade be your brother. Your blood brother. Where you can't sack him. See, you see the thing where Pop Skinny they post their things, make them can't tell you how the fight starts. The fight, according to the rumors who are here, Shatawale promised losing blade, then those following back say, if Xylophone Sanam, he go give each person 50,000. That be the news who are here. I don't know how true the news be. Say he go give each person 50,000. As then sign Opana no give them that money. Where then sit for that monitor. That be the rumors where then the way they talk. That be what me at the year for my years inside. Say as Xylophone Sanam, he promised the people say in artists in follow back say go give each person 50,000. Well now this year he goes Shatawale no get hit song. The money he finish. Now one Iran. Where this losing blade and people go raise the money issue come. Ask yourself say why he sack them. You know be the dream where say dream say they go kill them. That boy he sack them. It be lie. It be lie where they lie. You know be Shatawale say listen to most some of it is Shatawale interview. He say it be Nima where them born them for. But today, the people now where them say losing blade they talk say Shatawale no be Nima boy. Then take them a Nima. Obuwa do some song be. He say abuwa koko tiba. Obe nyina ye kesi. Obe nyina ye kesi na wadane apontreni. That be Shatta Wale, from bandana to Shatta Wale. You see Shatta Wale, now he grow wings to the extent say you Shatta Wale fit talk for your mom say people where them be Nima boys. So of them then you get beef. If them come some place for Nima, they go beat them. Me I not go blame Shatta Wale for some way, but you see those people, they lost in blade. Apart from Kushtela, then Arabi, all those people where Shatta Wale sack them. I don't give two fuck. You see the people where Shatta Wale sack them, massa. I don't give two fuck. Because why? You people start to follow Shatta Wale, you they disrespect your people, where you then wake up from a child, from the get-go, you then they move. If you can say Shatta movement be your own, lost in blade, stone, bone. You see, say nobody won't fight, give you useless people. Because then deported them. So you know people where then disrespect the time they start to follow Shatta Wale, then disrespect people where then and them grow. You see, say they get problem, nobody they come to them and aid they fight give them. You see, say they get problem, nobody they come to them and aid to fight give them. Why? Because the time they start to follow Shatta Wale, then they see small chachere hungry boys. They can't be leaders. They always want to be followed back. Lost in blade. Then sack them before. That video, Shatta Wale can't post the day where sack. That be the first time then sack Lost in blade. Where he can't do that video. After that, I come back deal. Omo you watch Lost in blade know that you know be street boy. You don't know how they hustle. Stupid Lost in blade. Where you go? The party do the same thing. It is just who they come to them at aid. You know see nobody they fight give them. The party he get problem. Who fight give them? Arabi in problem. It be me I do video give them. The party it be me I fight give all those people. You ever see somebody they fight give them before? No. Because the time when they follow SM movement, they disrespect people, a lot of people. They disrespect a lot of people. So now they get problem. Nobody they fight give them. Everybody keep quiet. Apart from Arabi, then Kushtela, what them be lawyer. They not talk any shit. Any shit about Shatta Wale. Well now, you then sack you people, you want make people can't fight give you. Me, the people where Shatta Wale sack them, they join me. They join me. But Pop Skinny, you to me are the shock self. You Pop Skinny. You will be like your DNA inside, no Pop Skinny. We need to take you go see Nakpanga. You know Nakpanga, that be where you for take you Pop Skinny. You after what Shatta Wale do you, where he sack you, he kick you out. You go on. Pop Skinny, you know be today artist from book back them a time. Since they don't know, since they never think say they go bomb 4S4. Pop Skinny, you dey crap him rapper. They never think say they go bomb 4S4. You Pop Skinny. You dey follow book back. You leave book back. Book back can form 4S4. Pop Skinny, you still there, they do follow back. Shatta Wale can't rise more. You can't follow Shatta Wale. Shatta Wale disgrace you in the public. You go on. You come. Kwasia, today. Me, I go support Shatta Wale in some way. Shatta Wale say he give you 10,000 and the beer. Even if the thing be lies, me, I go support Shatta Wale. Why? Because you the same fucking Pop Skinny. You can't open your mouth. That will say be Shatta Wale buy you that Benz. You know, we will talk. Oh, your videos there where we go play give you. Who you Pop Skinny follow back? Useless fool. You open your mouth. You tell we say Shatta Wale buy you that Benz. And then you can't who now can't we no masem. You say Shatta Wale buy you that Benz. Then bring you people for America here, Pop Skinny. Then bring you for America here. Your video there. We go show you that video. You say Shatta Wale bring you for America. Shatta Wale bring you for America and there ube tafri abruwatwe. What you do crasism? You come Pop Skinny. You come America. You zook big bag. You bring fake Timberland boot. Fake everything from Togo. You bring Togo shaders to America. You go back from America. You know buy shader. You take the same bag you take come. Or you take go back Ghana. From you bring Togo shader to America. Who they come America or Canada or some Europe where they bring shaders? Only you Pop Skinny. You look, you know Shatawale say they do. You they come America, UK somewhere. You go logo Togo Shades. Tudu, Edrianasi Shades. Stay come approach you. Where Jimmy Anna? You can't tell we say Shatawale bring you for America. Today, you dare Snapchat, Kwasia, and I'm saying you are useless like me for a year. You dare Snapchat, they talk say, you know be Shatawale way bring you for America. You know be by you, for you the horse in mouth, who want know now can't help skinny. So today Shatawale go court, say they go collect that card and we will go support them. We go support Shatawale because why? It be you open your mouth tell you say the Benz it be buy give you, it be bring you for America. Pop Skinny not be we talk. We don't talk. Skinny, Pop Skinny not be we talk. One kasa one know from you the horse in mouth. You say Shatawale do about America better free abruwa trim. Shatawale ato Benz amount. In there, Kwasia. What me call Snapchat so they talk say no be Shatawale give. Shatawale go fit do this. Mboa. Some of you the SM people where they insult me, go suck your mother. Yeah, I did. I can't do video test say they chop Shatamichi. I do video, I say Shatamichi. People they chop them, they give them money and things. Kwasia for way insult, no insult me. I be you see Shatawale in Snapchat. He confess. Say Michi they chop Michi. You know be me I talk oh. It be Aludi talk. It be Alidu talk. It be Alidu talk. Himself he confessed that they chop Shatamichi. So now no Kwasia Chipalago. I do that video say na one chop Shatamichi. You can't edit the video, go put for your WhatsApp. They talk say I get proof to back him. Kwasia Chipalago Krasinia onina also who are brocho chef flea market in Tade. Abua. So who say Shatawale can confess say yes they chop Shatamichi. I be you see. You see, say Shatawale self can confess, say yes, they chop Shatamichi. Since why they tell you say Shatawale no be real. But I no go blame him. Most of you people, they follow him, you no be leaders. The youth of today are not born to be leaders. You are fallen back. They follow back there your DNA inside. If you not be so, losing blade, you no get life for Ghana. You go wear some CNA uniform, say you finish dentist, you be doctor. Shatawale can congratulate you. That guy they call him. They do the camera Stone, that short guy with the bald head, where they call him Stone, then give him the Kakai car where you go hide the car. No Stone, you they follow Shatawale then take you go UK then things. You they sleep plus your brother for Kandao. I better for that area there. Hey, Shatawale they like say in people then get room, they nobody get nothing. They no get nothing. But me, I no go blame you. See you the militant way you did there. No? You the militant way you did there. No? Someone want you dey watch Shatawale. Shatawale be snitch. It be Takashi 69 of Ghana. So that be Shatawale Takashi 69 of Ghana. Snitch. Shatawale anybody way go get problem plus. He go come talk the person matter. Anybody. What you no do Bulldog? Eh? Now I said to fuck off. If I saw Palago, you be who? Fuck off. Make I tell you something. In the Bulldog get problem. Shatawale can't sit for radio. He say Bulldog he kill Kwakese manager. Bulldog say he go kill him just like he kill Kwakese manager. Bulldog they work free. He no go jail. He no go jail. If you can say be America, where Memphis Bleak can't talk say Jay-Z kill somebody. Jay-Z say he go kill him just like he killed that person. Like they no go catch Jay-Z, interrogate him, put him behind bars. But a country like Ghana with the shithole leaders, useless leaders, Shatawale can't talk this thing. They no arrest Bulldog. They no do anything. He sell Bulldog out. He can't put Bulldog in wife, in picture, in naked picture, everything for social media. So if you people are come with demo, you people they walk with your stomach like snake. So you people follow him. Where Bulldog, you go you see why they insult you, Bulldog? You come America self media, you get problem, I insult you. Bulldog go where he come back again. He go join this shatter movement again. I don't know exactly what did they do give Bulldog. He go where he come back. Why my this thing is dark like that? Bulldog go. He go where he come back. He can't join this Shatawale again after all the yawa way they do him. Enti yedi ye nkrofo no. Yedi ye nkrofo no mantena se andwen se ebedu muso. The time where Shatawale they sell people out, they disgrace people. No, you Pope Skinny, you Lozin Blade, you Stone, you the people where they follow him. No, when you say buy a ribo ban and no one a ribo techi, you people forget say he go can't do the same thing to you. You people forget. Now where he reach the time where they do you no. Now where he reach the time where they do you no. Kwasia Pope Skinny bio. Me nyama you say mbabe ya but also Jimmy for there me who be that. Now you can't they talk, you say you go talk. You see a lady they put you out for that. Now lady won't tell the people say you be go be they chop your ass. So a lady won't talk. So a lady won't talk. We be the me what did they go on? Are they love rough? Make them do what they want to do. You see what they do? We be the support. We be the support. Make them do what they want to do. Anything that is built on lies, you will break down on lies. Shatawale that be, you know, get hit song. He goes to people, my level be somebody's song. Jay somebody be somebody's song. This year how many shows they play? This year how many hit song you get? You don't get the hit song. The hit song not there. The hit song no there. None of you release any hit song. You see, make I tell you something. Why your artist Shatawale was trendy? It be me my video where they talk about your Shatawale that time where they insult them every day. That's why the guy they trend do. The guy know the force so. But since I leave the rope, give him, I stop the talk about them small. You see when career day, frustration chop him. Frustration chop him now. He started selling old people, saying they sack people for SM. SM be your own Shatawale. You know be your own. How you they sack somebody for something where you know build? Now you they sell your woman. Your woman where they love them. Now you they sell your woman and they say so they chop your woman. This 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 they chop your woman. Why? This be the Ghana music industry. This be the Ghana music industry. So you Shatawale, you know if you get problem plus somebody small way, you go act mature, say, oh, Pope Skinny was once my boy before, so since we have a problem, you know, let me brush it off. You don't know that. As soon as you get problem with somebody, you know, everything you know. Your mouth like Camp Nou. Barcelona de Macam, Shatawale, Onabu Botumo, Barcelona Camp Nou. Your mouth like Camp Nou, big. You get problem plus somebody know you know how to reveal secret. But you yourself, you did there, you Shatawale self, you do shit. Hey, that guy where they Shatawale in camp, where they call him, I don't know, even if it's Stone or then why be the Stone that the photographer no. Make I tell you, that Christmas inside, this will not be the first time where they sack him. That short guy they call him Stone or whatever, the photographer where they follow Shatawale no. December inside, Shatawale sack him. You know what you do? You go chop one of the ablawa where he did Shatawale. You see the ablawas where he did Shatawale got ablawa for in house. One of the SMD was the ablawa. You go chop that girl where Shatawale catch him. Where they sack him. If you steady where he then store, he then Pope Skinny start the walk. Shatawale sack him. Then beg where he come back, you know, Kipo. The one where they drive the kakai car. I tell you, say, boss, now one they chop me chief figure. Shatawale confirm. He confirm. You know, go see for in war. He confirm. Everything where I talk. Shatawale, they watch me. Shatawale, they watch my video every day. It be, you know, be your Stone boy self, them boy self. If you go see, I do some video before where I tell Kelvin boy, make it stop the back Stone boy for stage. Ever since then, you see, say Kelvin boy, the back Stone boy for stage. No. If you go watch that video, what I tell Kelvin boy say, if you want to be superstar on his own, you first stop the backing vocalist. You see, say they back again. You know the back. You stop. You don't understand me? So that be what he did inside. If you dey follow leader where the leader, if they spoil people them my image, you go be there here. Mark it before Christmas go come. You go see Shatawale they are deserve. You see, go see what they go do. You go see Shatawale they are deserve. Watch out. Remix. That be where we go end up for Buko Arena Boxing. Konkoti Babe Dani approach you today Shatawale. Then bring you for Nima. You. Then bring you for Nima. Today, if he did that, the right say, somebody go Nima. Nima boy, where he wake up for Nima, he go Nima, they go beat him. So confuse Shatawale. Why did I punch Reni? In the Usuadana, I don't go blame some of the people where they Nima way, they do like, for life they won't do. Kudu kanyuma kejinku. Poverty, hungry. Somebody can give you some $100 or something. He go control you people like remote control. Majine nye juma mojimi enya mo akom na edemo nkofo fa Libya by road eko Europe eko eba America eko Mexico eko Canada no mu de monsu anyansa se mu beye bi. So you people you no go learn that sense. You people no go learn that sense. Say hey, you two go past the by road but you go love day there. You go love day there do follow back no kofio na babo. You see no kofio today Shatawale. If they disrespect stone, if they disrespect laws in blade, if they disrespect bone, if they disrespect good over evil, on some real shit, if you not be follow back, good over evil, Shatawale go fit talk to good over evil like how they talk to him. Like he chop slap. They slap it. Me I know say see, Shatawale go fit beat laws in blade, he go fit beat him. If only be that useless, foolish laws in blade. If only useless that lost in blade guy, Shatawale go fit beat him. If you not be money, you not be poverty. If you not be poverty, Shatawale feel open mouth, then talk anyhow to people for the street. You know the one find your own path. You wake up, you see your father they beg. You don't want change your own route. You don't want to be a leader. Follow your own path. Go your own way. If somebody feed you today, you want to make the person feed you every day. Why, my brother? If today you come, I give you $100. Tomorrow you come, I give you $100. The next day you come, I give you $300. You know, go get mine, say, go add that money, go buy handkerchief or some PK or some ice water or pure water, then sell and make you turn your own boss in case something happens to go fit survive. Every day they depend on my top. The day you go come and if you give you the $100, that go be the bad person. You know be so. You know be so. You know be so. You know they want be a leader. You want make them use you like that. Find your own way, brother. You don't grow. You have to be a leader. You have to be a boss on your own. Your family no go be happy. They talk say, oh, my son is going to Kojo South. Kojo go give my son $100. Go can't find something give me. No. Your father or your mother wants see you to be a leader. But you the spirit need nimu. I won't blame you. System not fuck you up. Into there follow back for life is for life. For being didi a un didi. Sasaka boy be and share and yan to our own share. So when you shoe now to our own share. Boxer shorts crap on in the check. Boxer shorts self. Somebody go come on. Then you go put down. Then you go take go where. You see what did they do now? What did they do now? Make them kill them myself. We will go sit down, watch them like this. You see, make them put all the secret out. This is my last video. Me are the one make them put all the secret out. If them put the secret out, then you go see, say, now you go can't do open form. It be like a podcast. You go open form. Bah! Everybody go chippy. I go call you. You go tell them your mind. But for now, no. Moku enjoy. My enjoy a grown kakra. For now, no. Let's enjoy the game. Moku entertain Shatawale then Pope Skinny. If they like, make them meet for Bukom Arena, then wear gloves, then beat them myself die. We will enjoy that thing. You don't understand me? This one that they do, no, it's a good example for you, the youth where you know say you will be following back, you go do. No. So they go put your secret for there. If you don't find your own path to be your own leader, make your own rules. So somebody go feed you, you go can't put for there, you don't get small problem. Go talk say you, he feed you. So it go happen to you. It go feed you. Can't they public tell people say, oh, say I come in, no. Me na me man do any day. Me na me talk say man. Yeah. You understand? So that boy go tell you the youth, You see what they do? You where you did the way you still did the SM movement. This have to be example for you. So you two time go come. Abi you did there. You then Shatta Wale the war. They tell you secret. You they tell them your secret. So now you two your time go come. People come before you. Arabi in your own camp. Kustela in your own camp. Bulldog in your own camp. Deportee in your own camp. Hey, Nabi Blade, Good Over Evil Stone, Pope Skinny. You ever sit down and think say there will be a day these people go back and forth? They're my own camp. So you two go come. If you choose a leader where he morph no big, like Heathrow Airport. You understand me? Choose a leader where he Kumoji they watch. Me, I know they want swimming pool they America, then Canada, then Germany. We know they like swimming pool. No, we don't go beach, Labadi Beach, Bola Beach. That one is big. God in swimming pool. Where sugar there inside, fish there inside, crocodile there inside, tilapia there inside, even Shatta Wale there inside the sea inside. We go beach, go swim. You know they need swimming pool. Why? Before swimming pool no come, beach there. Before swimming pool no come, beach there. If you go follow leader will morph big like crocodile. Shatta Wale morph like crocodile. Such a leader, what makes you think say if then this leader get problem, you know go put for them? Make I ask you, you go follow leader where he morph big like crocodile. What makes you think say if you see Shatta Wale morph like crocodile where they see inside or they river inside, see him morph? Then me what if make I tell this thing? What if they bore me? This be my last statement. Say if you then Shatta Wale get problem, they go talk say my fans go beat you. Who be your fans? Why you Shatta Wale no go talk say me I go beat you? You dey claim gangster. You dey claim say you be gangster. You be this. You get gun. You be this. Go fight on your own. Me if you get problem plus, I'm not go talk you say I go make my people can't beat you or D-Nation. No. You can't. You say you be gangster, Shatta Wale. Pope Skinny be small boy. Lost in blade them. Go fight them. Why they talk say some people go beat some people? You are not a gangster. You are a pussy ass nigga. You are nothing but a snitch ass nigga. That life, if you only Ghana, you go feel live, then snitch. America here, like you know go feel walk for street. Jamaica, you know go feel walk for street with this kind of snitch life where you Shatta Wale, they Ghana way they do. It be Ghana way be so. Any foolish person wake up here, they say celebrity. Pope Skinny, celebrity. Losing Blade, follow back for celebrity. Stove, follow back for celebrity. They follow Shatta Wale, they disrespect. Somebody say they call him Equiapin Polo. They say she too, she be celebrity. Somebody they sell in Tonga, Moisha, she be celebrity. Who? Fela Makafui, she too. Then chop am sake of car, she be celebrity. See, everybody wake up. Small things. Kotoku to what? Every small body go do something. You say be celebrity. You say you be gangster. You dey claim the gangster. See, Shatta Wale no be. You don't know the street code. Street code. When we talk about street code, a street code nigga, you no go snitch. A street code nigga don't snitch on his niggas. Everything that happen in the camp stays in the camp. That's the street code. The street code. If something happen for the street, you don't come out and snitch. But Shatta Wale, you there something small happen or Usain Bolt. Then you take Takashi 69. You start snitching on everybody. People where they mention them and then what did they inside? Me I dey go. It be small sense you are telling me. I no come say I dey come insult them. Somebody to say Xander Camel, who to be that? If you are or dog. All these people, they say them be celebrity. What do they do? Who they celebrate these people? What did they celebrate at them? Yo, Abdul Basti, Chambers, I see you. El Hadisco. I ain't tripping, what's cracking, my nigga? Rashida Black Beauty. Them all. Look at all these things. All these people say them be celebrity. How? How can these people be celebrity? That be what it is inside. So my people. Anas Rakim, it be 6'9", snitch ass nigga. Shatta Wale, that be the Takashi of Ghana. Every little thing starts snitching on people. Nigga way more big like crocodile. Why you don't go snitch on you? You don't go, don't go find problem with niggas. We niggas wanna mouth big. We know they play. So my people, a word to a wise, see some useless fool self. I don't know why self. I'm for block this dirty boy self. Like I block this dirty boy. Say who be the street code? Nobody became for street though. Make I tell you something. We no go come claim street case so, but you no go feel beat we for street though. Either two things. I go shoot you, make you die or whatever happen. You no go feel beat me for street though. Patapaa be celebrity. Yeah, Patapaa be celebrity. I be in song make hits. Patapaa be celebrity. Yo, that Joe, what's up? Charlie, I dey go my people. So that's what I want to tell you. My mama entertain. You see the thing where they go entertain them small. If them finish all my all my bread, they don't have any secret, you know. Now we go collect all the things where they talk, you know. The Baba podcast, me and you people, you go call in. I go open the line, give you. I go call you video. We go discuss about the things where Shatta Wale talk, Pope Skinny talk. We go discuss all that. We go put that for them. They go see omu Jimmy and omu ye. In 24 omu in 24 omu you know where you go meet each other, then beat each other up. Jimmy and Snapchat give you platform. You talk secret, you reveal secret, you talk about each other. And I say, you know, and yamu ferry women where you put mumba musumu door mumuni omuda or them Shatta Michi and you Pope Skinny wife. You put all them secret outside there. Where you go back to this woman, then this woman go collect you people as their husbands or boyfriend. Shatta Wale give Shatta Michi ring. Now she 10 Lord of the Ring. The ring 10 kako for her hand. He promised her engagement ring or promise ring which Shatta Wale give Shatta Michi. The thing 10 kako for Shatta Michi in hand. She see say no they do. She ran. She Jamie. Yo Alhaji wanna see you. So that be what I go tell you people. Muma enjoy mo. No mo nyom kwasi asem. Aba edibo ba no edibo techi. So me Allah be with you all we go come open give them. Oh yeah. Everything. We dey gather information. That boy another one do video. We want gather all the information. Then we go come throw out take give them. Now we dey pile up the information. We can't do podcast with them information. We dey pile up. So if you get some, don't throw them away. Pile it up. Make them we go pile it up. If omunyanyansa some jam crash them now. We go pile all the issue that they do for Snap, they throw for Snapchat no. Yes, screenshot BBI, yes, save. Omu via. Na onso ma bre. Te see obia kan nu masem. Omu penso anum. Omu nim de ombe kan. Na e de abek tuo me nim say eja ko nimbo ni o chia me. Mu Jimmy, mu nkrat sem am ye. Enini then we go serve them with them own food they go eat. That be what go happen. And now Shakim today I'm not going to invite you. So that be what today is. Me I dey go do what I go do. Me Allah be with you people, So me that be why you people they tell me say why no they come live at the job, at the work overnight. That be why no they feel come live. So Moku watch the drama small. After the drama no. You understand? Make Ali do talk. Make you open that crocodile mouth. Make you talk what you go talk. After the drama no. We no go talk anybody's secret too. Them are secret where they go talk, where we go take and give them. Pastor, they can't talk, say, no, now, Majai, the time, everything I talk about Shatta Wale, say they say among us everything I talk about that nigga, I be now you see with your own eyes, you see, buboba, Janibe Shishimo. So that be what I go tell you. Mama no mo fan go, omo the go where we are. Then we go take and give them. Eunice, wife say, make you no go play. Oh, how they go? Everything that is built on lies shall fall on lies. I will tell you, if you start your life, you dey lie. So now you go your life go fall on lies. That be what did happen. So when I enjoy them, I dey go do something. West Ajay Bright say you be more than Kennedy Japan. No. Me I no be Kennedy Japan. We no go talk anything now. Mama sleep on them a Snapchat up. Pope Skinny Snapchat. As wording go there. Shatta Wale go there. Screenshot everything. Me I dey get my own for him. Screenshot everything. We go take and give them. Some say omo den throw and on betra. Omo to private jet. Oma to say, me post skinny, I know the one insult you. But hey, the day I go can't do the live video, where I go open fire, give you the Shatawale. I don't wait make people finish your fight. I go tell you what I get tell you. Now, I no go do this be the last video I go do until the fire quench. Yo, Tara Caesar na boy na bala ba okobo ba agbala. You did about me after the fire quench, you know. Every shachampo make I no go. You dey there, you chop. You dey watch me. By now you dey watch me. You dey chop. You dey drink. You dey your bed top. Dey relax. Me I dey go find something chop then drink. Then my woman too say she know they love me. I dey go beg Amoku settle the case. He say make I no go. Make I no go. He go pay me. Make I no go. Somebody say Stonebwoy Independent Day. Stonebwoy Independent Day. Wetin dey concern me? Me that people dey go pay me. I dey beg you. They pay me. You dey there, you dey chop. Me I dey do the live video. Me I no chop. Make I no go chop. Make I no go chop. Yeah. This be one of my favorite songs. Self. Make you listen to one. They enjoy. This year we all go marry. Oh, Miss Mabel, man, I see you. This year we all go marry. So if nobody marry you, you no tell you say I do. I forget them. This year we all go marry. I ain't tripping. I know they like Shatta meet you. Me, my girlfriend say she know they love me. But today she break up with me. She give me broken heart. So I dey maintain my broken heart like that. Say I do. If you get man wey no go marry you this year, boy, leave him. If you get woman wey she know they won't marry you, like Shatta, Michi leave Shatawale, she say no go marry her, leave him. This year we all for marry. So that be what. Say I do, yeah. This song it be hit. The link dey my WhatsApp. Go download them. Follow me on Instagram. Ghana Kush Radio. That be my Instagram name. Ghana Kush Radio. Follow me on Instagram. So cause this Facebook go they want do yawa. Follow me on Instagram. We could fuck things up, yeah. Charlie, me I'm done. I dey go eat. Charlie, do JF say good for you, darling Tinadans. It's good for me. And respect this, say don't worry, come to German make we party. No shake it soon. Yo, as a salon, me no care, me no. Just call me Papi Risky, Chalade. Charlie, some people that my name be too strong. I know if you mention self. Kiate Doku, hey Charlie, Idris Alasamido, why you go hide my brother? Haj Usman, one love, eh? Allah be with poor. I'm out. Say I do, yeah, to every girl. One love, yeah.